Excuse me. Or it's not coronavirus, I just have really bad allergies. Those with allergies understand. So I ended up getting some new makeup and I'm really excited about it because it is the new Rare Beauty. And this is in the shade 260N for their concealer. And then I did get the 260N in the foundation as well. Even just like out of, like not even out of the package, it looks like it's going to be a really good match. I'm really excited. I've seen this all over the place, like so many YouTube videos, so many like you know, Instagram posts and all over Facebook, and just like I was like, I really want to try it. But right off the bat, her packaging is so cute, so stinking cute. Like I'm sure that you guys could pick this out like anywhere you are, like you'd be like, oh, that's Selena's. It's just like a really, like, how do you want to say it, like it's just her thing. Like you'll know when you see it, like that's her makeup. So really cute. I love how like sleek and just like, you know, how do you want to say it, like aesthetically pleasing it is, and it's just like nice and smooth. It's just like really cute packaging. But I'm gonna try her foundation. I already prepped my face. What I do is just use like a deblotter, or like a, what's it called? It's called One Heck of a Blot. It's just like a primer, but I also use this Milani Make It Last. It's in a matte spray. One thing I like to do is just go across my forehead because my forehead gets really oily. I don't know why. So I'm just going to spray that on. It's literally like the only place on my body that gets oil. But from what I saw on other people's reviews and videos about this, they tend to have to shake this up because I guess it's pretty liquidy. So I'm going to shake this up pretty good. And then, like I said, this is in the shade 260N. I'm like really nervous. My skin looks so bad right now. Oh, good lord. I have like, is it here, is it here, is it there, is it everywhere? And it's because, I don't know if you guys can even see it, but there's one right here, there's one right here, one in my hairline. It's because I'm a nursing student and I'm beyond, let me tell you, beyond stressed out. So, it's okay. Selena's gonna cover up my stress and we're gonna try it out. So yeah, definitely right off the bat, this is very liquidy. Like, you'll have to be very careful when you open this because I feel like you might like splurt it onto, splurt it, is that a word? Like splash it onto your clothes very easily if you like weren't paying attention and like ruin your outfit for the day. So no one wants that, but I'm gonna put just a couple swipes here. Right off the bat, I would have to say that I love this applicator because it's just helping you kind of like have control of the foundation and where it's going. Sometimes if you have like a squirt bottle and you have to like squirt it on first, sometimes it's like running and like it just, I don't know, it just doesn't go on very well. So I do not have her sponge that she created, but I'm gonna just use my normal Real Techniques sponge. Just gonna spray that sponge as well with that matte spray. I'm noticing it's very well blendable. Like it doesn't just stick in one spot, it's able to just kind of like maneuver into your skin, which is nice. Some foundations you can't really like blend into your skin very well, and you just have to do like one little section at a time. So I like that you can just apply this all over and then blend it in. And I would have to say it's very liquidy, so it seems like it'd be like a lightweight foundation, but let me tell you guys, it has really nice coverage. Covering up that stress.
But what about what I want? What about what I want? Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the...
Normally I would do like 2 coats for my foundation, but I feel like 1 is good enough, especially because I'm about to go to class today, and then I'm gonna be wearing a mask, so I feel like I don't need a ton of foundation on. I just wanted like enough to like look human. So it's nice that it's like an everyday foundation. Like it's nothing that's gonna be too heavy or too light. It's just like a really good like everyday wear. And then I'm gonna go ahead and try her concealer. Actually, I'm gonna shake this up too just in case. It doesn't sound like it's liquidy, so it just seems kind of like a normal concealer. Yeah, so it's pretty thick compared to the foundation, which is nice. Applicator is really cool. It's like at an angle, so it's kind of like really nice to be able to like get up in there. If I'll show you guys here. Yeah, the tip is like at an angle, so that's pretty neat. I've never seen anything like that before, but it's really nice to get up in there, so I really like it. I don't normally like to wear a lot of concealer under my eyes because I get breakouts under my eyes a lot from my concealers. I have a lot of texture, so I don't like to use a lot because I feel like it will emphasize the texture underneath my eyes. And I just don't need a lot. I don't feel like I have very like baggy under eyes. I just want enough to like look awake and like not tired. So if you guys know me, I just don't like caking on a lot of makeup anymore. I used to. If you guys were here for me when I first started my YouTube channel, I had lots of makeup tutorials where I would cake on foundation, and then I would like do a huge sweep of concealer underneath my eyes from like all the way up here, like all the way down to like a triangle down here. And I'm just not into that anymore. I just like kind of fell away from makeup just because of my health journey with my eczema and losing weight and just my skin in general. I feel like I just feel and look better when I focus on myself and my skin and everything in between. So I just have not been like into makeup lately, but I do like to look normal and like have a little bit of something on. So I feel like this is a really good way to wear makeup with something that's a little more lightweight but has a nice coverage and you don't have to apply a lot of it. I am applying this powder on top. It's just Revolution luxury powder. It's the banana powder. Normally I don't use this. I just use like a little compact with like a big fluffy brush, and I'll just like, you know, sweep on some powder like that. But I just wanted to try a different powder today, so that's where we're at. Other than the fact that I'm a very stressed out nursing student, I feel like it makes my skin look really nice. It doesn't like make my skin look terrible. What I'm noticing though, I don't know if you guys can even tell. Oh yeah, it picks it up on the camera. Is that it's settling into my fine lines on my forehead, which I normally don't have that issue. So I'm gonna try and kind of like buff it out a little bit. Excuse me. Or it's not coronavirus, I just have really bad allergies. Those with allergies understand. But yeah, I don't like how it's settling on my forehead at all, but it's okay, because your girl don't have time to do anything else with her face because I have to go to class. So it's gonna just be fine for today. But I don't know if it was like my primer or if it's a foundation. I'm not sure. But so far, so good. I really like the foundation. I just really like the way it makes my skin look, besides my forehead. Very good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back and give you my overall opinion. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and finished my makeup, and I feel like it looks really good. I think it will depend how it wears, and I wish I had the time to wear it out and then come back and tell you my opinion. but definitely settling in my forehead still. I don't know why it's doing that, and I wish it didn't, but like I said, it's gonna be okay. Other than that, like the rest of my makeup looks really good. I like the way that it looks. Here's a little close-up. I think it looks nice, besides my pimple. But my forehead, you guys, creasing really bad. Not a huge fan of that. But really, really cute overall. These products are just so, so cute. I love the way they look. They're just really, really girly and cute. I love it. But overall, yeah, her shade range is absolutely amazing. I don't know if I talked about that, but I think there was like 48 shades or something crazy. Let me look because I want to know. Yeah, so it has a 48 different shades. So I'm pretty positive that you guys would be able to find a really good match for you. Especially even if in your dark shades as well, because she has some dark shades in both the foundation and in concealer. So I love that she has such a huge variety of shade ranges, because everybody is different. Everybody has their own like undertones, whether you're like warmy whether you're like warm or peachy tone or pink undertone, or anything like that. She has got you covered. These are amazing, and the shade range is like incredible. So definitely check this out if you guys want to. They're pretty affordable as well. I don't know if I talked about the price, but the foundation is $29.99, and then her concealer is $19.99, which isn't terrible. I feel like for, I mean, a very well-known brand, that's a very good price range. So really, really good. I absolutely love it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I just kind of miss playing with makeup a little bit, and I just wanted to try those out. I bought them because I've been wanting them, so I thought I might as well just talk about it on camera. So if you guys enjoyed this video, just make sure you guys give this a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Think back to you, I feel the same.